Welcome back to another edition of Gareth Unboxings. We're back with a premium crate from Tokyo Treats. So let's get right into the box. There we go. There we go. I can't remember if this is the box with the ginger ale or it's the other one. But if you want to get yourself a glow in the dark Gareth Unboxings wristband, just leave me a comment, send me an email, and I'll sort you one out. But we got Trick or Treat. It's the October edition. Got that on the back. If you want to look at the thing yourself, go and use that code and go to our website. If you want to look at this box, if you want, which one matches and that. We got this. And we got all loads of snacks. If we got a yellow one, if we got a yellow one, it's classic. We got red, it's premium. And then we got all that. And then we got the mini contest, lucky treats. And then we got about Japan. We got the arena. And then we got some other people again. Even a dog gets there. Look at that, he is. I'm so happy. I got treats. So, let's pull out the first thing we got. And I do like these. They are kale beans and the shrimp fries. Yeah, it's like a dark orange and a light orange. If it's a light orange, it's classic. If it's dark orange, it'd be premium. Don't think they do a mini one anymore. If they do a mini one, it's not in this thing anymore. So here we go, there we go. They do it like this camera, it seems a bit better, and it's got like pro, it's got autofocus all over the camera. I got it on pro at the moment, so the quality is good. Let me know pro is good. It can do blur the out around the outside and all that, so let's get to the next thing. Next thing we got is pudding Kit Kats. And they are in the premium. They are caramel pudding Kit Kats. And you get a whole bag of them. Well, just a bit. You actually get a whole bag. Next thing we got, it looks like some like kind of rumbly is, and it all stuck together at the moment. But get all these and one in there. So they over here. Oh, the puffs there. Next thing we got is a Winnie the Pooh, like cookies. You can get either the one with Winnie the Pooh on it, or you can get the one with Tigger and Piglet on it. There you go. Got your cookies. Oh, we do get the Winnie the Pooh one. Next thing we got is a lolly, which has got some kind of chewy brains. It's a Chupa Chop. I think that's how you spell that. But then seems to focus in a lot better, even if I go right up close. There we go. And it does say it's a sweet sour one, like a tangy lime brain. Interesting. Next one we got, I think we had these before. Here's these. And they are rice powder, salted rice powder. I think we had them before. We might not have had the salty ones before. We got Halloween hammer. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I call them hummy bowls or something like that. They are corn pudding. I have tasted them and I don't like it. I really don't like the corn pudding, but porridge and pudding, pottage. We got these. I think we had these before. Oh. There we go, the back. There we go. We had it before. And here we go, this is what you do. There we go. I feel the triangle thing, so let's pull out these. We got a red, green, and orange. Because they are potato. No, it's not potato. There we go. Next thing we are, I don't know if these two are the same. Or different. Nope, they're two different things. We got like a cheesecake thing. And we got a rolly cake thing. So the cheesecake type thing is like this. And it is cheesecake flavor. And the rolly one is that one. Next thing we got is this. The box of Hello Kitties and that on it. And like chocolate rolls, and it's a big, nice little box. And there we go. Next thing we got. Ooh, this is big. We got this. Some corn, sweet corn. Or corn sweet. There's a mask on the back. And they are salted caramel. There we go. There we go. So caramel, the last thing we got, and it's not the ginger ale one. It's Ramouillet. Ramouillet is a lemonade. It's like a British lemonade, not a American lemonade. Your lemonade is like lemon and water and a bit of sugar. Our lemonade is fizzy lemonade. It's clean and it's very fizzy. Well, you can get cloudy lemonade as well, but it's still fizzy. This is teriyaki. I think it is that. Right, it's not teriyaki. So that's the sauce. It's takoyaki. It's octopus balls. So that's what I drink it if you want to read it more. There we go. So let's recap, and don't worry about my nails. I am cutting them. So we got the drink. Octopus balls lemonade. Weird. we got these. So the caramel crisps, or you could call them witch's fingers. We got these chocolate rolls. We got the cream roll, and we got the cake. We got the DIY kit. We got the puffs. We got the amiibo. Right. We got 3 of these. We got the Kit Kats. We got the Winnie the Pooh cookies. We got the shrimp crisps. And we got the rice puffs. And we got the lolly. So if we close tidy. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More positive videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to. Don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.